The City of Sterling Heights, in partnership with Macomb County, has been hard at work preparing to supply vaccines to city and county-wide residents alike. On Wednesday, February 24th, a press conference was held to announce that the facility has been designated a community-based COVID-19 vaccination site.
Fire Chief Ed Miller, who's our liaison to the county.
We are very prepared for the vaccination site at the senior center. We've been working with the county for it. It makes sense that our seniors don't have to drive to Mount Clemens to get their vaccination, that they can stay within our city and we can take care of them. We have paramedics, we have 35 paramedics that are trained with the vaccination process, the vaccines that are available. So they'll be on site along with assistance from Parks and Rec and other city offices for the logistical process of paperwork. We're ready. We're excited to offer this and keep it in town. And so we're stepping up with the city administration's help to get this done.
Working hand in hand with SMART, the county will begin the process of offering residents age 60 and older a by-appointment only opportunity to receive vaccines at the senior center as they become available.
SMART will call them and say, hey, we are calling you because you're up on the list now to go ahead and get vaccinated. If you need a ride, we will give you a ride. If you have your own transportation, here's the location you can go to get it. So again, that's the big question right now. People are asking, is this specific to Sterling Heights residents only? The answer to that is no. It's open up to all residents, specific 60 years of age and older, by appointment only. And people need to know that. And so if you know a senior, you are a senior, somebody who's 60 years of age and older, please sign up under the smartphone number or go ahead and log into the website and ask to be put on a list for that appointment, and you will get contacted as to when it's your turn, and they'll try to get a location that's closer to proximity of your home or your residence.
You know, certainly our community's health and well-being is so important to all of us. So we have an opportunity here to be able to administer vaccines to our seniors. And why not use our senior center? I mean, this is a great partnership with the county and with the vaccine providers where we can reach more people. It's convenient to, you know, be able to provide free transportation here in case you need it. But all we need is the product. So as soon as that vaccine becomes available, we'll be able to take care of many more people. So let's look at it as we are preparing ourselves for the opportunity.
We want to make sure that vaccinations are available to everyone in Macomb County, not even just our residents. But I think that being the center of the county and soon to be the largest city in the county, we need to lead the way for everyone else.
While the site at the senior center is up and ready to serve our older residents, the city is also planning ahead for an expanded vaccine rollout that will include the general population. Vaccines will become available to those residents as the state enters phase 2 and 3 of the process. For that, the city has entered into a lease agreement at the Old Lakeside Sears Auto Center.
Yeah, we're starting to get Sears lined up, and in that phase, we're going to be a little bit more independent. So we're looking at agreements with other facilities to help us with housing vaccines, such as with Beaumont Hospital in Troy. So there's a lot of planning there to clean it up. The building hasn't been used in a long time. So we're adjusting its previous use as an auto center into a drive-through vaccine center. It's going to be a great facility for us to handle a large amount of people at one time, but it still needs a little sprucing up and getting our workstations ready and the flow ready, as well as how we're going to manage the amount of people based on the demand. So it's an exciting time to do that.
In the meantime, eligible residents can contact the Smart Macomb vaccine line at 586-421-6579 or email macombvaccine@smartbus.org and provide your name, phone number, address, and date of birth. Registrants will be added to the SMART wait list, and Macomb County staff will call eligible responders to schedule appointments as they become available.